Now, the vast majority of people won't be watching this because you've got the answers at the book. You think, well, there's the answer, now I've got it. Which is a shame because there are some techniques. Supposing that's the beginning of the sentence, that's the final full stop. Scan along it and you might just be able to find the 4-letter word straight off. If it doesn't leap out at you, get your thumb and your finger and just work your way backwards. Don't read the sentence. Remember, in this exercise where you have to find the hidden 4-letter word, it is just a string of letters. Don't get seduced into reading the sentence because phonic blends change. And that's quite an important sort of thing to keep an eye on. So the first one, now this is quite a nasty one, is between frown and extras, but notice they've got a whole load of punctuation between, but the word was next. Number 2, the detective looked out of the window. We're not reading it, remember, it's between the and room to make hero. Often turns up, that one. Not a nice one, is it? Next one, if you're please could you fry hours your. Now there's yours there, but that's a 5-letter word, so it's your, but that'll be okay on the multiple choice. It won't give you too many difficulties. Right, the next one, between better and made we have term. And now let's have a look. We have, this is one that turns up a lot actually. In between, it's number 5, in and challenging we have inch. On the next one we've got between toffee and lollies feel. That doesn't show up very well. Another colour. Feel. Amazing how different colours show up differently, isn't it? Should we try brown, see how that does? And number 7, we've got between suffixes, I can't even say it, suffixes and can, we have scan. And then finally, but not least, we have newt. So that wasn't a difficult one to spot, but you do need to know what a newt is. And so some of it is knowing your vocabulary. Thank you. Bye-bye.